Printing a 2x2 photo from your iPhone.
Welcome to our quick guide on how to print a 2x2 photo from your iPhone. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you need to follow to achieve perfect prints every time. Let's dive right in.
How do I choose a photo to print?
First off, you need to choose a photo to print. Navigate to your Photos app and find the photo you want to print. Make sure that it's a high-quality image, as this will result in a better print.
How do I resize the photo?
After selecting your photo, you'll need to resize it to 2x2. This is where a photo editing app can be really handy. One such app you can use directly from your iPhone is Photoshop Express, which is available on the App Store. After downloading and opening the app, import your photo and use the Crop tool to resize your photo to 2x2 inches.
How do I print the photo?
Once you've resized your photo, you're ready to print. Make sure your iPhone is connected to your printer through Wi-Fi. Next, navigate back to your Photos app, select the edited photo, then tap the Share button. From the list of options, select Print. Make sure to adjust the print settings to match the size of the photo, 2x2 inches, and then press Print. And that's how you print a 2x2 photo directly from your iPhone. It may seem complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be printing high-quality photos in no time. Happy printing!